delicious Jamaican rice and peas done right straight in the oven. So if you want to see how I achieved this beautiful shelly flavorful rice and peas, just continue watching. And to my returning supporters, thank you guys so much. And for those of you coming for the first time, welcome. Please make it official by tapping the subscribe button and hitting the notification bell for future uploads. So if you want to see how, just stick around and let's prepare this one. First step is that we're going to pour our peas, salt our peas, wash and put to soak overnight or for a couple of hours if that's the time you have. I'm going to put mine to soak overnight so I can get it to cook for my Sunday dinner. So continue watching and I'll come back tomorrow morning when it's time to cook this. Okay, this is the next day and it's time to cook, and I'm going to use a pressure pot for this one, and we're just going to pour this in our pressure pot, add enough water and allow this to cook. My cooking time was 25 minutes and I'm going to prep my season in the meanwhile. Here I have some onion, scallion, ginger, coconut milk, complete season, butter. I have a piece of bell pepper and I have onion. I'm going to use that small amount of thyme that I have, plus I'm going to use some dry thyme. So when our peas is partially cooked, I'm going to add my coconut milk. So this can cook with the peas so the color becomes more brighter. Yes. Do continue watching and I'll come back when it's time to prep my rice for my peas. So enjoy the music, guys. Okay, for the rice, I'm using parboiled long grain rice. This is totally optional. This is what I'm using these days. So I'm going to wash this well and I'm going to preheat my oven at 350 degrees. And here I'm using a roasting pan. I'm going to add my washed rice and pour my already seasoned, well cooked together peas in this. And we're going to stir this well. Add a bit more butter if optional. You can totally omit adding more butter. I'm just going to add a small amount. And we're going to wrap this tight with foil and put in the oven. My oven was at 350 degrees and I put it in the middle rack. So we're just going to cover this and I'll come back when it's finished. Wow, and there you have it, my evenly cooked rice and peas done in the oven, and we didn't have any burn, and it was shelly and nice. Yes, and this was done at 350 degrees as I mentioned earlier, and this took me 30 minutes. Yes, 30 minutes. All depends on your oven temperature or your oven gauge. Yes, but this was so delicious, guys. Yes, just look at that. Look at that. Look at that. So guys, please like, share, comment, and do subscribe if you haven't as yet. And tell me in the comment section if you would try this method of cooking your rice and peas, or if you have done it before. And this was my Sunday dinner. Ha! It was very delicious, guys. I served this up with some barbecue baked chicken, some fried plantain, some cucumber and tomato, and some raw salad. And dinner sell off. So that chicken video coming up soon, so stay tuned, and thanks for watching. So until next time, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.